So I installed a Hardline hour meter on my KLX230R. I didn't video the process, but it seems to have worked really well, and I like how snug and tight the wire is, so I wanted to put it out there how I did it, not that it's any huge secret. So the short end of the wire, I laid it along the spark plug wire, fastened it down with a zip tie here. The long end of the wire, I coiled it around and around and around about 6 times, and then I used a second zip tie to fasten it to that first end and also nice and tight around the spark plug wire. Ran it up. There's a little fastener inside. Just ran it through the fastener straight over to the meter, and it works great. I love it. Nice and neat and tidy.